Hello and welcome. Today we have another question. We have that 2 raised to the power the square root of 200 is equal to p raised to the power p, and we're asked to find the value of p. Let us proceed with the solution to this question. We have that 2 raised to the power the square root of 200 is equal to p raised to the power p, and now we're asked to find the value of p. Now let's start with rewriting the left-hand side. We know that root of 200 can be rewritten as the square root of 2 times 100. Okay? And now this is the same thing as root 2 dot root 100. Now the square root of 100 is 10. So we have 2 raised to the power 10 root 2 equals p raised to the power p. Now we can rewrite our 10 to be same thing as 5 times 2. Okay, so this is the same thing as 5 times 2 root 2 equals p raised to the power p. Now let us rewrite this base. Okay, so what we have here is that this base 2 can be rewritten as the square root of 2 all squared, because root 2 times root 2 will give us 2. So let us try that. So we have the root of 2 all squared times 5 times 2 root 2 equals p over p. So now we have that root 2 raised to the power 5. 2 times 2 will give us 4. Root 2 is equal to p raised to the power p. So we're trying to rewrite the left-hand side in such a way that the base and the power will be the same. Now, we know that a raised to the power m n is equal to same as a raised to the power n m, which is equal to amn. Okay? This is well known. Okay? So now we'll rewrite this as root 2 raised to the power 5 times 4 root 2, okay, equals p raised to the power p. Now, what is root 2 raised to the power 5? That is root 2 times root 2 times root 2 times root 2 times root 2. Root 2 times root 2 will give us 2. Root 2 times root 2 will give us 2. 2 times 2 will give us 4 root 2. So now we have 4 root 2 raised to the power 4 root 2 equals p raised to the power p. Therefore, this means that our p, the value of our p, is 4 root 2. And this is the answer to our question. But now we need to verify to confirm that our answer is correct. We have that p raised to the power p is equal to 2 raised to the power the root of 200. Okay? So p is 4 root 2, right? So we have 4 root 2 raised to the power 4 root 2. We're trying to find out if it will be equal to 2 raised to the power the root of 200, right? Like we said earlier, a raised to the power mn is equal to a raised to the power nm, which is equal to a raised to the power mn. Okay? Now, this equation can be rewritten as 4 root 2 raised to the power 4 times root 2. And we're trying to see if that will be equal to 2 raised to the power of the root of 200. Now, 4 root 2 raised to the power 4 is what? 4 root 2 times 4 root 2 times 4 root 2 times 4 root 2 is equal to what? 4 times 4 is 16. 16 times 4 is 64. 64 times 4 is 256. Root 2 times root 2, root 2 times root 2 is what? 2. Root 2 times root 2 is also 2. 2 times 2 is 4. So 256 times 4 will give us what? 24, 22, 8, 9, 10. Right, so we have 1024. Okay? Now, so what we have is 1024 raised to the power root 2 equals 2 raised to the power root of 200. Now, what is 1024? If we break it down, we have 2 here is 5, 1, 2, 2 here is 2, 56, 2 here is 1, 28, 2 here is 64, 32, 16, 8, 4, 2, 1. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 2 raised to the power 10. So we have that 2 raised to the power 10 root 2 is equal to, trying to see if it's equal to 2 raised to the power the root of 200. Now, we can rewrite 10. 10 is the same thing as root of 10 squared. Okay? So, sorry, 10 is the same thing as the root of square root of 100. That's our 10, because we're trying to achieve root of 200, right? 10 is the same thing as square root of 100, because the square root of 100 will give us 10, and 10 times 10 is 100. So let's rewrite 10 to become the square root of 100 dot square root of 2, if that's equal to 2 raised to the power the root of 200. Now we know that root A dot root B is the same thing as square root of AB. So let's apply the same thing to the power of the left-hand side. So it becomes 2 raised to the power root of 2 times 100. That's equal to 2 raised to the power root of 200. 2 times 100 gives us 200. So we have 2 root 200 is equal to 2 root 200. Therefore, we see that our left-hand side is equal to our right-hand side. And that means that our value of P, which is what? 4 root 2, is the correct answer. So, if you enjoyed watching this video and you'd like to see more videos like this, subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching today, and I'll see you on the next one. Take care. Bye-bye.